Hi friends, welcome to Tableau Talk. So in this video, I will show you how to display only top 5 labels based on sales quantity in pie chart. So to do that, first we will create a pie chart. So I will pull state and sales, and from show me, I will click on pie chart. Then I will select enter view, and I want state and province into labels. So the reason behind this video is that there was one customer requirement where the labels were displayed like too close. So if you see South Dakota and Prince Edward Island, so we are not able to like bifurcate uh, for which slice this Prince Edward Island is or South Dakota region is there. So to avoid such things, there was client requirement like just to show top 5 state or province based on sales value. So to do that, we'll create one calculation, and based on index, we will calculate top 5. So I will write calculation like if index of less than equal to 5, then ATTR of state and province, then end. I will name this calculation as state. I'll click OK. Now I'll pull this state into labels. I will remove this original field state and province. Now we need to like create a table calculation. So I will right click that field and I will click on edit table calculation. Here I will select specific dimension, state and province, and sort order. I will select custom based on sales value I want it. So I will select sales and it is a sum value. So I will select sum and descending. Like in the background, you can see the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 are already assigned. So I will click here and you can see the top 5 states are visible. The labels for that top 5 sales value is visible. So in this way, you can solve this problem where the labels are too close and the client requirement is to display only top 5 states or top 5 products. If there are multiple products, then we can use this method to show only top 5 labels. So this method can be used in donut chart also. So you can follow the steps and create the calculation in this way using index. Like if you want to show top 7, just change the number here. And don't forget to use ATTR function as it will throw error. I hope you like the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe the channel to get such informative videos. Thank you.